Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a great week. What is happening with the crypto market? How did we focus the market last week or in the last couple of days? How is the market performing? And we're going to be looking at how we expect the market to perform into the next week. So that is what we're going to be looking at. Before we get started, if you like what we do, hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up as well as the notification button so that you get an alert next time we upload a video. Check out under the description of all our videos, you'll find our contact details as well as the link to our website, ELLIOTTWAVE.com. That is where you'll find information about everything that we do. For those that are only interested in the Forex webinar, just check it out in the channel. For any inquiries, you can make those under the global chat. That is where you'll get the quickest response. Right, so we are starting our next course on the 29th of November. You can make your purchase of the course on the website and you'll find the recorded version immediately when you make that purchase. So the advantage with that is that when we start the live one in November or the end of November, you would have already watched the course and then you can engage and ask questions about areas that you would not have fully comprehended. Right, so let's get started with the analysis for this week. Let's start with Bitcoin, and I'm going to look at the chart that we've got on our site, that on the daily that we've been looking at for a while. Let's have a look at the cryptocurrencies. So starting to get really interesting on the cryptocurrencies. Let's have a look at this daily chart. There are two alternatives on this chart. So if you look at this chart, this was on the 10th of October. We've been looking for Bitcoin to go and hit the all-time highs. We've already done that. So essentially what we're doing with Bitcoin is we are looking for 5 waves here. We're looking for 5 waves within the yellow degree. So look at the blue degree here in three. We're looking for 5 waves in yellow. I'm going to go down to the lower time frames. Look at those 5 waves. So when I talk about the alternative, look at this. We're looking at this as a wave 1, 2 here. But there's a possibility that this wave 1 here is actually this one where we are currently. Okay. We may be at wave 1 here, but forget about that for now. Let's have a look at the lower degree in the 4 hour to look at this. What I want us to look at, focused on here, is these 3 waves in 1, 2, 3. And you'll see this in a bit more detail when we go down to the 4 hour time frame. Let's have a look at that 4 hour time frame. See the yellow degree. So as far as the 4 hour time frame is concerned, remember we focused at this. We're going to have 1, 2. Last time we have shown you the focus that we were looking for this to push to the upside from here. We've already pushed to the upside from 39,000. Now we've already hit 67,000, which is the new all-time highs as far as Bitcoin is concerned. Now we're pulling back with what we are looking at as a wave 4. And this is where I'm going to focus on this wave 4. The structure of wave 4, because it's important to understand when the wave 4 is going to be complete so that we can look for the next leg up higher. So this one I'm going to go do now. Let's go now into the actual chart on Bitcoin on the 4 hour. How do we expect that wave 4 to play out? This is wave 4. This is the wave 4. As you can see, we've already made a 3-wave move, but the move to the upside has not been an impulsive one. It is not going in a straight line like this. So that means the wave 4 is not complete as yet. We've got 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, so there's a possibility that that is only just one leg. That's going to be another leg, and we're going to have another leg here on Bitcoin. So if we do that, we're going to have this structure and we're going to have that only completing from there. Okay, so that will give us a WXY corrective structure, and that will then be only the wave 4 that we're looking for in the yellow degree. But let's drill down deeper to see what is happening at current levels. So at current levels, you've got this looking like a move here, and we can have Bitcoin doing that. And if it does do that, we've got a 1, 2, 3. We're going to have 1, 2, 3. We can have 1, 2, 3. Either way, we can have that. We can still have this one, the 3 waves down, 3 waves down here. So we may be sideways for a while here. So we'll be expecting a rally towards the end of November, start of December, as far as Bitcoin is concerned, and look for this WXY corrective structure, which we are looking to be a wave 4 and for a move to the upside. Now, if you wanted to be, for completeness sake here, you could look at the internal structure here as well, which will have been WXY. We're just focusing on this corrective structure. That is what we're looking at on Bitcoin. All right. So that's what we have. So we're still going sideways. No need to rush here into trades. There is no trade setup here. The trade setup will come when this is complete, and we'll be looking for new highs to 70, 80,000, and possibly even 100,000 going into the new year. So Bitcoin still bullish, Ethereum also bullish, all-time highs on Ethereum in the week. So we've hit the all-time highs, but what's interesting about Ethereum is that we are still pushing up higher. Let's have a look here. So this for our setup, we're still looking for this to continue pushing to the upside. We there's a possibility for a flat correction here on Ethereum as well, but essentially we are long-term bullish. And if I show you the structure on Ethereum as well, it's similar to that of Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the daily structure on Ethereum. We are simply looking for this here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's the daily on the Ethereum. Let's go down here onto the 4 hours so you can see as well. So just give you a perspective here. We are in this 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're looking for that 5. With that all-time highs. So with the all-time highs, we're going to expect a deeper correction for that yellow wave 2. That is Ethereum. Look for a pullback and continuation to the upside. Litecoin, let's have a look at Litecoin as well. So Litecoin is setting up for upside. So what we're going to see here with Litecoin is we've got a move down here in 3. We can have this one as 1, 2, 3, retest the previous highs. Possibility for this to give us a flat and upside. Either we're going to get a flat or this can actually just push up from there. But we'll prefer this because it's going to give us an opportunity to buy it from the blue box for long-term upside. Let's see how that goes. We're still going sideways as far as Litecoin is concerned. So we'll be looking for this to continue here, to continue to complete here and make a move to the upside as follows. Then the bigger structure on Litecoin will be this one. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking at, and that will be a WXY corrective structure. We are still bullish, even though this can be a move like that. Right, so that is a Litecoin. XRP Ripple also showing bullish structure. We've got a pullback here. This is showing us upside. We're going to have a move like this. So if you look at Ripple, we are making this structure here in 3. We can retest the previous highs. And if you look at Ripple previously, we looked at this structure to be a 3-wave move. And see, we don't ignore the spikes either. So that's a 3-wave move to the downside. It's a 3, 3, and a possibility for a Y before we make a push to the upside. Can we pull back here and push to the upside? There's still that possibility on Ripple, but we're going to make that decision when we get to that level. And we're going to have this one. We're looking for this as a possibility to make that flat and upside. If that we don't make this flat, that means this is all the correction and Ripple is ready for a move to the upside. So monitoring this for now, we're seeing that this is going to continue to the upside, at least just for this 3-wave move. That is Ripple. And Dogecoin, let's have a look at Dogecoin here. So Dogecoin is pretty interesting. If you look at the structure here, let's see here. Dogecoin can push slightly higher to complete this structure here. And we can have this one coming down here. Why am I showing you that structure? It's a possibility for this. Let's switch off here so you can see just the structure here on Dogecoin. So Dogecoin, 1, 2, 3. We can have this one coming down in 3 waves, as similar to what this one has done here. We've got this one as 1, 2, 3. We can have similar here, 1, 2, 3. WXY structure, but essentially long-term bullish. That is what we're looking at on Dogecoin. ADA. So we look at ADA. ADA is showing here a 1, 2, 3-wave structure here. We could be coming down here to come around this level before we push to the upside. So short-term bearish and then long-term upside as far as ADA is concerned. Let's show you the bigger structure on ADA and what we're looking at here. So ADA has made these 3 waves to the downside. It's made what looks like a running flat there. And what we're expecting here is another 3 waves to the downside before we push to the upside. Look at what I'm referring to by 3 waves. This is the 3 waves down. This is the 3 waves up running flat. We're now expecting another 3 waves down to complete the structure to give us a WXY structure and a move to the upside. That is ADA. All right, so that is ADA. Let's have a look at Solana. Looking at Solana, it's off. Solana is off to the races after breaking up from that structure, made a 3-wave structure, is now bullish, and any pullback on Solana will be an opportunity to take it up higher. Okay, so that's Solana, all bullish. Let's have a look at Shiba as well. Shiba looks to have made a three-wave pullback. Watch Shiba. We may be starting a move to the upside, and it looks like it's right into the blue box. Any consolidation here and a continuation to the upside, look to take Shiba, and a break above this, Shiba could also be off to the races. Right, so we're going to be watching that. Do not rush it. Wait for clear confirmation on this. We use the indicator to confirm that that is the actual reversal as far as the market reversal is concerned. Right, so that's all I have for you this week, guys. The rest will be similar, but overall, the theme is still that the cryptocurrencies are bullish in the medium to long term. For now, we're just in consolidation areas, and we'll look for bullish structures to complete pretty soon. Have a great week, everybody. If you liked what we do, please hit that bell notification button so you can get a notification next time we upload a video. Give us a thumbs up if you like our content. We appreciate it. We also appreciate your feedback in the comment section. Have a great week. Trade responsibly. Cheers. Bye-bye.